Earth, we love ya, but what if I told you there might be planets out there that make our blue marble look like the universe's fixer-upper? That's right, folks. Today we're talking about exoplanets that could be more habitable than Earth. Buckle up because we're about to leave the solar system for some cosmic real estate shopping. But before we get into all that, if you're curious about the wonders of the universe and love exploring intriguing topics, you won't want to miss what we have in store. By subscribing, you'll join a community that dives deep into fascinating ideas, fun experiments, and mind-blowing facts every week. Plus, you'll be the first to catch our latest content that promises to entertain and inspire. Our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Every viewer counts, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button and be part of our adventure. Exciting discoveries await. Now back to the video. First on the list, Kepler 452b, often called Earth's big cousin. Discovered in 2015, this planet is about 1,400 light-years away. It orbits a star similar to our Sun, and here's the kicker. It sits smack dab in the habitable zone. That's the sweet spot where liquid water could exist. But there's a catch. Kepler 452b is 60% larger than Earth, so gravity there might be a bit of a workout. If you've ever struggled with a weighted vest at the gym, this planet is not for you. On the bright side, the year lasts 385 days, so you'd get a little extra time to procrastinate on your New Year's resolutions. Next up, we've got Kepler 22b, a planet that might be covered entirely in water. Imagine Earth, but make it all ocean. No continents, just endless waves. It's located about 600 light-years away and orbits its star in a Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water. Now, living here might feel like being on the ultimate cruise forever. But let's be real, where would you charge your phone? And what about sea monsters? Either way, this planet could be the perfect vacation spot for dolphins or anyone who's tired of landlocked living. Now let's talk about TRAPPIST-1e, part of a system that's basically a planetary pack of Skittles. TRAPPIST-1e is one of 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a red dwarf star about 40 light-years away. This planet is a prime candidate for habitability. It's in the habitable zone, likely has a rocky surface, and might even have an atmosphere. Plus the sunsets? Probably spectacular thanks to the dim, reddish glow of its star. The downside, a year on TRAPPIST-1e lasts only 6 days. You'd blink and boom, it's your birthday again. But hey, who's complaining about more cake? Finally, meet Kepler 186f, often called Earth's twin. But let's be honest, it's more like a fraternal twin. It's about the same size as Earth and orbits its star in the habitable zone. Discovered in 2014, it's located 500 light-years away and orbits a cooler red dwarf star. Here's the fun part. Since its star is dimmer, the light on Kepler 186f might be more reddish. Imagine plants evolving to be black or dark purple to absorb as much energy as possible. It'd be like walking around in a sci-fi movie set. The downside? We don't know much about its atmosphere, but hey, a little mystery keeps things exciting. So, why are these planets potentially better than Earth? Well, some might have more stable climates, longer-lasting stars, or even conditions that make them more resilient to the kinds of disasters that Earth faces, like asteroid impacts or humans leaving their lights on all the time. But there's also a lot we don't know. Are there atmospheres? Is there water? And most importantly, is there Wi-Fi? Before you pack your bags, here's the bad news. These planets are hundreds, even thousands of light-years away. At our current speed, it'd take us tens of thousands of years to reach them. Basically, you'd need a spaceship, a cryopod, and a ton of Netflix downloads to survive the trip. The truth is, we won't know if these planets are habitable until we can study them up close. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope are helping us analyze their atmospheres and surfaces, but for now, they remain tantalizing mysteries. So, what do you think? Would you trade Earth for one of these exoplanets, or are you sticking with the devil you know? Let me know in the comments. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be making videos from Kepler 452b. Until then, keep dreaming big and looking up at the stars. And hey, if you like this video, click on this one right here. What are you waiting for? Click on it.
side.